Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss trigonometry, class 10, exercise 11.4, problem number 2 and 3. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve the problems by using trigonometric identities. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problems using trigonometric identities. Click this I button to learn introduction to trigonometry and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 11.4, question number 2. Show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here we are taking LHS and we are proving RHS. Let us see the solution. Here given LHS I am taking. LHS is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is given. So already we know. So what we know? Cosec theta. Cosec theta value multiplicative inverse of cosec means 1 by sin theta. And cot theta. So cot theta how we can write it? Cos theta by sin theta we can write. So here same as it is only I am taking here. Cosec. Cosec means 1 by sin theta minus cot. Cot means cos theta by sin theta whole square as it is. That equal. So here denominators are equal. Here sin theta, here also sin theta. So here minus symbol. Minus means directly we can take minus. Subtraction we need to take means 1 minus cos theta by sin theta we can write. Otherwise we need to take the LCM also, we are getting same step. For example, a by b whole square is there. How we are writing? A square by b square we are writing or not? Like that only I am writing now. 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. We know the identity. What that identity? So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 we know. This plus cos square theta you can transpose to right. We are getting sin square theta equal 1 minus cos square theta we are getting. So here instead of sin square theta we can write 1 minus cos square theta. So here 1 minus cos theta whole square whole by 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. So for example, a square means we need to write a into a we are writing. So a square minus b square means how we can write a plus b into a minus b type we can write. Here numerator is a square model is there. So we can write a into a. Denominator is a square minus b square model is there. So a square minus b square means we need to take a plus b into a minus b. So I am writing here this is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta whole by, it is of the form a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. A means 1 plus b means cos theta into 1 minus cos theta we are getting. So in numerator 1 minus cos theta, in denominator 1 minus cos theta get cancelled. So what is remained here? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is remained. So here it is the RHS. So we took LHS value we got it RHS. So hence proved. So here cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, we got it here. Question number 3. Show that under root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equal sec A plus tan A. So here we need to take LHS value we are taking and we are proving RHS value. So here LHS in under root value is there. Root value means like this problems are we can take rationalization factors we need to take. Let us see the solution. Here we are taking LHS we are proving RHS. So solution LHS. What is given LHS? 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. This is under root. So root value means we need to take the rationalization factor of denominators one we can take. Rationalize the denominator. So the rationalization factor of here denominator is 1 minus sin A. So the rationalization factor of 1 minus sin A is here minus means we need to take plus means minus we need to take. So 1 plus sin A we are getting. 1 plus sin A. Now you can take this is 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into rationalize. Rationalize means from 1 plus sin A to you can multiply and divide means 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Same we can take. So this is all under root of that total. So here it is, once you can observe here, this total it is 1 plus sin A, here also 1 plus sin A. It is A into A type it is there. A into A type means we can write A square we can write means 1 plus sin A whole square by, here once you can observe here, A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B. So A minus B into A plus B means we can take A square minus B square we can take. So A square means 1 square minus B square means sin square A under root as it is. Now one more step, here I am writing individually, I am writing 1 plus sin A whole square under root I am dividing whole by under root 1 minus 1 square means 1 minus sin square A as it is. We know the identity. What that identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So here the sin square theta you can transpose, we are getting cos square theta value, we are getting cos square theta equal 1 minus sin square theta. So here 1 minus sin square theta, instead of 1 minus sin square theta we can take cos square theta we can take. Here as it is I am taking under root 1 plus sin A whole square whole by under root, here 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta means we can take cos square theta. Cos square A we are getting. Here square root get cancelled, means what is remaining? 1 plus sin A by cos A is remaining. Now we can take individually 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Already we know the formula. 1 by cos means what that one? 1 by cos A means we can take sec A we can take. So sec A plus sin A by cos A. Sin theta by cos theta value we know that tan theta means we can take tan A. So here this is we got it RHS. So LHS equal RHS. Hence proved. So this is a procedure for question number 3. We have seen how to solve the problems by using trigonometric identities. In the next video, we will see same type of problems by using trigonometric identities. Do comment in the comment box if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.